Right, welcome to my how-to video on how to run the calibration test on your Samsung Ecobubble washing machine, whether it has a digital inverter or not. This has a digital inverter, but they're pretty much all the same, near enough, for these kind of range of models with this kind of door. You'll have two different kinds of display. There's a smaller one and a slightly larger one. So anyway, you need to first plug in the machine, switch on via the power, make sure your water's attached and switched on, and that it's all complete level. Once you're happy with it, now you can run the calibration test. To select calibration mode, you need to hold the temp button and the delay end button here. If you've got small display, you'll have 10 button here and the delay end here. What I recommend you doing is using your thumb and your finger on your left hand for the temp, delay end, use your right hand to hit the on off button. And it is just hit on. You don't need to press and hold. So now it's come up with CLB. All you gotta do is hit play, pause. Nothing else can be actually selected. So what the machine's doing is spinning the drum around to use its sensor to detect actually how level the actual machine is. So basically, it depends how the machine's set up. If it's dead parallel level, you'll be 100% correct all the time. If it's a little bit not quite level, this is what this is supposed to do. Calibrate it so it will be then if it's slightly facing forward, slightly backwards, you will know. Previous Samsungs with this just didn't detect properly. Takes about 3 minutes. Right, it's ended. That means it's now complete. You can now continue doing your washing. You just have to wait for the door to release first, then you can load up. And that's it. That is a how-to guide on how to calibrate the load sensor on a Samsung washing machine. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this helpful to use in your own Samsung washing machine at home. Thank you for watching.